Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Curse of the Toad. Prayer, Ado Bueleje, Aya, Adifafun, Akatapulita, Kaferefun, Yaloride. Story. Òṣún lived in the lagoon, along with the toad and the cleaner fish. That lagoon was surrounded by wild cane, Gindecaña brava, but there was one toad who believed himself superior to everyone. Òṣún told him that he was wicked, prideful, and above all, envious, and that Olofin would punish him, leaving him useful only for evil. That is, to be made into afose, spiritual powder. The toad replied, "Nonsense, I am not envious of anyone. When everyone sleeps, I go out at night and observe." "Very well," answered Òṣún, "but if you truly show no envy, you will not be cursed. However, if you act otherwise, your virtue will vanish, and both your strengths and your flaws will swell." Time passed. One night, the toad emerged from his hiding place, intent on stretching his muscles after the stillness of the day. The night breeze stirred the wild cane around the lagoon, creating a faint rustling sound, filling the toad with a pleasant sense of well-being. Feeling alone and strong, he believed himself a superior being and thought all creation was due to him. Soon he noticed a soft glow. It came from a kukuyo, Firefly, shining among the reeds. The toad, ugly, clumsy, and incapable of glowing, felt envy. He spat at the firefly, trying to dim her light with the filthy saliva from his mouth. Distressed, the firefly asked, "Why do you spit at me?" The toad angrily replied, "Because you shine." At that moment, Olofin intervened and cursed him. "As long as the world exists, you will live beneath stones for having thought yourself superior. You shall worship only me and plead only to Olodumare. You will flee from the war unleashed upon you by Olorun. When someone dies, you will be the only one to mourn their sins on earth. And when Olorun releases his wrath and his spears dry you up, your body will serve for evil and for the pain of humanity." The toad began to cry, begging for mercy.